Okay, let's say you have this really great pair of house slippers and they're so comfortable and you just painted them a little bit to make them look better and you sewed up the problems in the back where it was coming apart, and new slippers are so expensive. So I thought, since it's hard to walk on because it's, I don't know, it's got thinner or something. So I thought I'd take this old foam out of some unimportant pillow I had, and I measured the slipper with a piece of paper, and I put it here, and I cut a piece of foam out, and I thought, well, is it too thick? But then I remembered, you're standing on it, so it's going to sink, and it was easy to cut, and I fit it into one of the slippers, and I put it on, and it's so incredibly comfortable. So try to reuse things. There must be something around your house you could fix them with, and it's just another way to save money. It all adds up.